Welcome to Master Crapper. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. If you're returning, thanks for the support. And as always, if you want me to make a video of your strategy, let me know about it in the comments sections. In tonight's video, I'll be discussing the don't pass bet. This is another one of those confusing bets. When a new game is started, you place your bet on the don't pass portion of the board. If a 2, 3, or 12 is rolled on the come out roll, you win double and the game is over. Now, simple, right? No. If a point is rolled on the come out roll, your bet stays on the don't pass bet portion of the board because the game keeps going. So let's pretend a 10 was rolled on the come out roll, and now that becomes the point. Now, with the point established, you win if the roller rolls a 7, and you lose if the point is rolled. Let's go back over that real quick. Place your bet on the don't pass bet, and if a 2, 3, or 12 is rolled, you win. If a point is established, it's like a push. So now the point is established, and now your bet that you had bet hoping for a 2, 3, or 12 came on the come out roll is now hoping for a 7. Yeah, I know. It's crazy. It's craps. Let's demonstrate. All right, so here we go. All right, so we're going to put $5 on the don't pass bar. So we're just doing a little easy demonstration here. So we're going to roll, and what we're looking for is a 2, 3, or 12.
9, center of the gun.
And we get a 9. So the point is established, right? Okay. So now we don't want a 2, 3, or 12. We want a 7 to come before a 9 does. So anything in between is just fluff.
8.
You know, standing around watching, you know. All right, so we have an 8. All right, so that's not anything. It's just like a push. Everything stays the same because we're only worried about the don't pass bet right now. All right, so here we go, and now we have a 10. All right, and I think the point was a 9, so that means nothing to us. All right, so now we need a 7 in order to win. And here we go. What do we got here?
9.
And we have a 9 hits, so we lose our bet. All right, because a 7 wasn't rolled. All right, so now we're going to put $5 back on the don't pass bar. So we'll demonstrate a little bit further and see if we could pull out one of these to kind of show the different scenarios that you will run into. Okay, so we have an 8. So an 8 established. This is a new game, a new come out roll, and the new point is 8. So we were hoping for a 2, 3, or 12. We didn't get it. Now we're hoping for a 7. We want the dice thrower to lose, basically, is what we're saying. And there's a 6, which means nothing because the point is 8 and we need a 7. All right, here we go. Roll them dice. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
10.
And oh, we got us a 10. Nah. But our point is 8, so that is like a push. It's just fluff until somebody rolls something that wins or loses. All right? And here we go. Oh, snake eyes. All right, so that's a 2. If we would have got that on a come out roll, we would have won. We would have doubled our money. All right, so here we go. Roll the dice. Come on, 7. Come on, 7. This is what we need right here. 5. Oh, it's a 6. Darn it. That's all right. This is just for practice and fun, showing the demonstration. All right, here we go. Roll the dice. We need us a 7. Definitely. Oh, there we go. All right, so we got us a 7. So we won this round, right? So we lost the first one because the point was rolled, and now we won this one on the don't pass bet because a 7 was rolled after a point was established. Now, new game, we need the thrower to roll a 2, 3, or 12. And snake eyes, and there it is.
CRAPS.
And there we go. We won. Game is over. Boom. Got to have another. Now you can bet don't pass bet again, or you can bet the pass bet, whatever you would like. But that's how it happens. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and we'll see you next time. Y'all, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll see you next time.